You're dead. Well, you're fucking dead as hell.
My fucking god! Why do I suck?
Trying 15 minutes to get his fucking
Ah!
intellect. Dies.
Thank you. Die. I'm getting reached already. Why? That's it. No, that's a friendly. Oh shit.
I actually just got a fucking double.
Nice. I'm gonna
Fuck
kill a
me, the
chicken.
asshole. You kill the chicken?
I killed another dude. I suck. Oh my! Thank you. I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put it up your anus.
Thank you, come again.
Bye.
I was looking at the chicken. How you dare kill me?
I'm gonna shoot you in the back of your head. Oh fuck, I suck so much! What the fuck?
I'm dead. And somebody stole my up.
And no, in that match you can't steal an orb. That's not how it works.
You know, fuck you.
In competitive it does, but not in that match.
And how the fuck should I know? Huh? Thought about that, you piece of shit?
Because I told you, why do I suck? My up skills are not good. Normally they are pretty okay, but now I suck.
Actually,
Oh, I'm gonna have to, no.
this is fucking amazing. How the hell did I miss that guy?
BAM! No 360, no scope, okay. Okay.
Sit your ass down, motherfucker.
Is he dead? Yep.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, no.
Thank you,
Oh, no.
come again. Oh no, 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 no. I'm gonna try and hit the 360 no scope. But I suck. Really fucking hard! Ah!
This is starting to get entertaining.
Really fucking I'm gonna hit the 360, come on. No, fuck you. No shit. Ah, fuck. That was not a no scope.
That was normal scoping.
No, that was fucking shit up. Fuck. I'm gonna. Oh. I'm gonna.
Did you just do a Rick?
I'm gonna take a P90 and fucking shoot everybody. No, I'm dead. How much? Really? 7-11? Fucking really? You know what? Fuck you. Oh fuck.
Fuck you and your grandparents. Ow! That hurt.
Fuck right in the pussy.
Fucking right in the pussy. I was
Hey,
trying
I'm
to
behind
be
you. Hey, hello.
Hello. How do I
Ah
drop
fuck.
weapons?
Ah fuck.
Oh, that's the way you drop weapons. Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Na 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 na, he shot in the face. La 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 la. Oh,
Stuck a cock.
lol. Fuck you.
Oh shit.
Indeed. Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, Asimov, nice. But I can't pick it up because it's deathmatch. Why is he shooting? Ah. I was like, why is he shooting at me? And I was like, oh, that's you.
No, I have a fucking pistol, really. I have a Glock.
You need to pick a weapon with B.
I'm gonna pick a weapon with your tits.
I don't have tits. Fuck you.
Yes, you do. You have man boobs.
I'm the skinniest person that you know, and you say to me that I have man boobs. Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. How drunk are you?
About 4 Red Bulls drunk, so.
Fuck!
That's not that bad, really.
Yo! Ah!
I want wanted to destroy my heart instead of my liver today, so I went for Red Bull.
I'm gonna destroy my keyboard if this continues like this.
This usually continues in like a match or some shit. If you,
Fuck
if you
you,
look
fuck
at the
you,
top
fuck
of your
you,
screen,
fuck
it
you.
continues for another 2 minutes. Dead. Thanks.
Teddy's.
Dead.
I'm gonna take. You know what? Negative up in this bitch.
I'm gonna
Where is he at?
negative-
Fuck you. I cannot hit you, but stop! I'll be back with
I'll
a
be
fucking
back.
negative in your face. Anybody else? Come on then. Where are you? Oh, I hit him. Wow,
I
you
hit him.
suck.
Well, you suck.
No, I don't. Where are you at? Is that you? No, that's
Gonna
not
shoot the
you.
chicken. Gonna shoot the chicken. Gonna shoot the chicken. I missed the chicken.
I shot the chicken. I got 1 point for cheating chicken. I like.
Shoot the chicken.
No, no, no. Fuck you. I cannot hit you. Yes, I maybe can. Can I? Can I? Yes, I did. I killed you. Haha, you son of a bitch. No, 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 blah. Brah. Normally I'm not this bad, but
Yes, you are.
1.5 liters of cola is maybe a little bit too much.
What does that has to do that you can't stand cola? That's like really stupid. That's all.
And that dude just shot me in the face. Okay, guys, this is for this video.
You could you just say it like you're not a fucking idiot?
Okay, guys, this is for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like if you want to do more of it. Bye.
Bye.
Is it raining?